I'm just going to make a short video to help you with your maths this week. So this week in maths, you're going to be moving on to multiplication. And multiplication, what does that mean? That means timesing numbers together. Okay, you might think of your times tables, your 2 times tables, your 10 times tables, your 5 times tables. That is multiplication. You're multiplying numbers together. And we firstly think of it as groups of numbers, okay? Groups of numbers. So when you've got equal groups, that's a really important word, the word equal. I might write that down. So these groups need to be equal. And the word equal means the same as. So I'll just show you an example. If we're going to multiply 5 times 2, I've got 5 groups of 2. So I've got 5 groups, 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, and 5 groups. And then we've got 1, 2 in each. 2 in each group. So this multiplication, what we're doing is we're doing 5, because there are 5 groups of 2. Okay, so the first question on your sheet shows you a picture of plates with cakes on them. And you've been asked to fill in the blanks. How many plates are there? So this is asking you how many groups there are. So I can see there's 1 plate, 2 plates, 3 plates, 4 plates. So there are 4 plates. And then the next part of it is asking you how many cakes are on each plate. How many in each group? There are 3 here. Are they all equal? Let's see. Are they all the same? 3, 3, 3, and 3. Great. So it is a multiplication. It's 3 cakes on each plate. So there are how many groups of what? There are 4 groups of 3. And if I wanted to write that as a multiplication number sentence, I would write 4 times 3. Okay, so here's a challenge. I have drawn some cubes on the board. So this is to represent cubes. Now let's have a look at how many we have. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, which one is the right sentence? Is it 5 groups of 3? Are there 5 groups with 3 each? Or is it 3 groups of 5? Are there 3 groups with 5 in each? Pause the video. Okay, which one did you go for? Let's have a look. There's 1, 2, 3 groups. So we've got to think it's 3 groups of 5. So the correct answer is 3 groups of 5. And we would write that as a number sentence, 3 times 5. It's still the same answer. 5 groups of 3 would look like this. 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. It's still 15. The answer is still 15, but this would be 5 times 3, and this would be 3 times 5. There are 5 groups here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with 3 in each. So it is 5 times 3. The answer is the same.